If you've ever archived a chat in ChatGPT and then couldn't find it again, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to see archived chats in ChatGPT step by step, so you can quickly find old conversations whenever you need them. This is super useful if you archived something important by accident, or if you just want to review a past chat without scrolling through your whole history. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy ChatGPT guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, go to ChatGPT and click on your profile in the bottom corner. This is where most of your account settings are stored, so it's the best place to start when you want to manage your chats and preferences. Once you click your profile, a menu should appear with several options. Next, click on Settings. This will open the main settings panel for your ChatGPT account. Inside Settings, you'll find options related to your account, personalization, privacy, and data management. We want the Data section because that's where archived chats are managed. Now click on Data Controls. This is the section that gives you access to different data-related settings, including chat history controls and archived conversations. If you've been looking for where ChatGPT keeps archived chats, this is the area you need. After that, click on Manage. This opens the Archived Chats Management page, where you can actually view the chats you've previously archived. At this point, you should see a list of archived conversations tied to your account. Now simply click on the chat you want to see. Once you open it, you can read the full conversation again just like any other chat. From there, you can review the information, continue the conversation if needed, or decide whether you want to keep it archived. And that's it. That's how to see archived chats in ChatGPT in just a few clicks. It's a really simple process once you know where to look, and now you can get back to older conversations without wasting time searching around. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next ChatGPT tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.